Our gut is home to trillions of microorganisms, collectively known as the gut microbiome. These tiny inhabitants form a complex and dynamic ecosystem that is unique to each individual. This complex ecosystem plays a crucial role in our overall health and well-being, influencing a wide range of bodily functions. It influences digestion, immunity, metabolism, and even our mood. A healthy gut microbiome can help break down food, absorb nutrients, and fend off harmful pathogens. Maintaining a balanced and diverse gut microbiome is essential for optimal health. This can be achieved through a diet rich in fiber, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. One way to support gut health is by consuming fermented foods. These foods are not only delicious but also packed with beneficial bacteria. These foods have undergone a natural process called fermentation, which not only preserves the food but also enhances its nutritional value and digestibility. Fermentation breaks down complex molecules, making nutrients more accessible. Fermented foods are teeming with beneficial bacteria known as probiotics, which help to restore and maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria. Probiotics can aid in reducing inflammation and improving gut barrier function. By incorporating fermented foods into our diet, we can provide our gut with the friendly bacteria it needs to thrive. This can lead to a more resilient and diverse microbiome. This, in turn, can lead to a wide range of health benefits, from improved digestion to enhanced immunity. A healthy gut can also contribute to better mental health and increased energy levels. In the following sections, we will delve deeper into the world of fermentation and explore two easy and delicious fermented foods that you can make at home: sauerkraut and kefir. These recipes are simple, fun, and a great way to start your fermentation journey. Fermentation is a natural process that has been used for centuries to preserve food and enhance its flavor and nutritional value. It is a metabolic process that involves the breakdown of sugars by microorganisms, such as bacteria and yeast, in the absence of oxygen. During fermentation, these microorganisms convert sugars into acids, alcohol, or gases, which not only preserve the food, but also create unique flavors and textures. The acids produced during fermentation, such as lactic acid, act as natural preservatives, inhibiting the growth of harmful bacteria. There are two main methods of fermentation: dry brining and wet brining. Dry brining involves using salt to draw out water from the food, creating a natural brine. This method is suitable for vegetables with high water content such as cabbage and carrots. Wet brining, on the other hand, involves submerging the food in a pre-made brine solution. This method is ideal for whole vegetables or those with less water content. Fermented foods offer a wide range of health benefits thanks to their rich probiotic content and enhanced nutritional value. These foods have been consumed for centuries across different cultures, and modern science is now catching up to their benefits. Here are some of the key benefits of incorporating fermented foods into your diet. First, improved digestion. Probiotics in fermented foods help to restore the balance of gut bacteria, which can alleviate digestive issues such as bloating, gas, constipation, and diarrhea. This balance is crucial for maintaining a healthy digestive system. They also aid in the breakdown of food, making it easier to digest. This means your body can absorb nutrients more efficiently. Second, enhanced immunity. A significant portion of our immune system resides in the gut. A healthy gut microbiome acts as a first line of defense against harmful pathogens. A healthy gut microbiome supports immune function by fighting off harmful pathogens and reducing inflammation. This can lead to fewer infections and a stronger overall immune response. Third, reduced inflammation. Studies have shown that a diet rich in fermented foods can decrease inflammatory markers in the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to many diseases, so reducing it is beneficial for long-term health. This is because probiotics help to reduce the production of inflammatory cytokines, which are signaling molecules that promote inflammation. Lower levels of these molecules mean less inflammation. Finally, weight management. Fermented foods can aid in weight loss by improving digestion, reducing inflammation, and regulating appetite. They can help you feel fuller for longer periods. They may also help to increase feelings of fullness, reducing overall calorie intake. This makes it easier to maintain a healthy weight without feeling deprived. Section 4, Sauerkraut, a classic fermented delight. Sauerkraut, a fermented cabbage dish, is a classic example of a fermented food that is both delicious and nutritious. This tangy delight has been enjoyed for centuries across various cultures. It is incredibly easy to make at home, requiring only two main ingredients: cabbage and salt. These simple ingredients transform through the magic of fermentation. To make sauerkraut, start by shredding a head of cabbage. The finer you shred, the better the texture of your final product. Then, massage the shredded cabbage with salt for about 5 to 10 minutes, or until it releases enough liquid to form a brine. This step is crucial for the fermentation process. Pack the cabbage tightly into a clean jar, ensuring that it is completely submerged in the brine. This prevents unwanted bacteria from spoiling your sauerkraut. Seal the jar loosely, and leave it to ferment at room temperature for at least 1 to 2 weeks. The duration can vary based on your taste preference. During fermentation, the lactic acid bacteria present on the surface of the cabbage will convert the sugars in the cabbage into lactic acid, giving sauerkraut its characteristic tangy flavor. This natural process also enhances its nutritional value. The longer you ferment sauerkraut, the tangier it will become. Taste it periodically to find the perfect balance for your palate. Once fermented to your liking, store the sauerkraut in the refrigerator to slow down the fermentation process. This will keep it fresh and ready to enjoy for months. Section 5. Kefir, a probiotic-rich elixir. Kefir, a fermented milk drink, is another excellent source of probiotics. It is made by fermenting milk with kefir grains, which are small, cauliflower-like cultures of bacteria and yeast. Kefir has a slightly tart and effervescent flavor that is similar to yogurt but thinner in consistency. To make kefir, simply add kefir grains to milk and leave it to ferment at room temperature for 12 to 24 hours. During fermentation, the kefir grains will multiply and ferment the lactose in the milk, producing lactic acid, carbon dioxide, and a variety of beneficial enzymes and vitamins. Once fermented, strain the kefir through a fine mesh sieve to remove the grains. The grains can be reused to make more kefir. You can enjoy kefir plain or add it to smoothies, dips, and sauces. Kefir can also be used as a base for fermented drinks, such as water kefir and coconut kefir. Section 6. Incorporating fermented foods. Easy and delicious. Incorporating fermented foods into your daily meals is easy and delicious. Here are some practical tips for adding these probiotic powerhouses to your diet. 1. Start slowly. If you're new to fermented foods, start by incorporating small amounts into your diet and gradually increase your intake as your gut adjusts. 2. Breakfast boost. Add a dollop of yogurt or kefir to your breakfast bowl or smoothie for a probiotic-rich start to your day. 3. Lunchtime crunch. Enjoy a side of sauerkraut or kimchi with your sandwich or salad for a tangy and digestive-boosting addition. 4. Dinner delights. Use fermented vegetables as a topping for tacos, stir them into soups and stews, or serve them as a condiment alongside grilled meats or fish. Section 7. Embrace the world of fermentation. Fermented foods offer a world of flavor and health benefits. By embracing the art of fermentation, you can nourish your gut, boost your immunity, and enhance your overall well-being. Whether you're a seasoned fermenter or just starting out, there's always something new to discover in the world of fermentation. Experiment with different fermented foods and recipes to find what you enjoy most. From tangy sauerkraut to creamy kefir, the possibilities are endless. So why not embark on a fermentation adventure today and experience the transformative power of these ancient food preservation techniques? Your gut will thank you for it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more game-changing tips.